you to Kenny Carls. I want to introduce you to Kenny Carls.
Woo! Kenny Carls! Yeah!
Woo, 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 woo! Give it up for Kenny.
Auntie!
Kenny!
She must be backstage getting ready still.
Okay, we have to do it again. Not Kenny Carls! Kenny Carls.
Come on, girl. Get on stage. The fans are calling. Cheering for Kenny.
It's calling.
Kenny, 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 Kenny. Woo!
Then you guys, after all the
Be
people
quiet. It's
sing-
Kenny. Be quiet. This is where you get off stage. It's Kenny.
After all the people are done, it's time to get up the
Be quiet.
Kenny was quiet for you guys.
You guys, I didn't even figure out my song yet, you two.
Right. You do off the cuff for a while. Go on.
So I can see my cat on my mind. Can I have those? Luke. Livia.
You like Humpty Dumpty?
What?
You like Humpty Dumpty? Humpty Dumpty.
Twinkle little star.
Okay, go for it, girl.
Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the sky so high,
Like a diamond
in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the sky so high.
like a diamond.
Like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star. She's taking so long.
She didn't take anywhere near as long as you guys did.